Springs. They got one fill in the yield. We're on Riverview.
10-4. K-12. 10-43.
12 was directing out.
40 Springs commit unlicensed black motorcycle, black pants, camo jacket. We're at River Creek Drive now, heading toward Walmart.
I'll take
40 Springs, 1037. Springs, we're going parallel with Tanner Street. Looks like we're going to be coming back to Riverview. Correction is going to be a black male. Turn right on Tanner Street, headed towards NISA. The unit behind me.
12, I'm with you.
Fucking move, you understand? Put both hands out. Hey, listen to me. Both hands up. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. I'm gonna tase the shit out of you. Roll over.
Motherfucker. I got what? Cause you guys are running.
16.
Hey, cut it out.
You can start digging up the net.
Hey,
listen. Put him back down. I'll start it up.
I didn't mean to walk.
No, I was trying to walk. I was trying to get you to use oxygen. Sorry, Bubba.
You weren't having a seizure when you jumped across that ditch in front of me.
Yeah, you weren't.
You were fine.
I got
What's wrong?
Hey, you know, going to the hospital for your please, you know that, right?
Here. Please, and stop taking a seizure.
I thought it was
My leg. My leg. No, I fixed it. I couldn't see him or anything, but when he went to the field part, I lost sight of him for about 10 seconds.
we were through Walmart.
We were coming in. I was like, I'm going to hit him.
Listen, this is good.
I said, well, I thought y'all been waiting.